A percent or percentage means a portion of a whole when the whole is cut into 100 equal parts. So a percentage is similar to a fraction, except the denominator is always 100. Let's do some examples. 1% is 1 over 100. So the number of the percent will go to the numerator, and the denominator will be always 100. 3% is 3 over 100. 50% is 50 over 100, also equal to 1/2. So just an example, let's say 50% of the people are wearing black pants. The people here is the whole, and if there are 10 people, 50% of 10 people is 1/2 of 10 people, which is 5 people. We'll talk more about these kinds of problems in another video. How about 0.01%? When we talk about a large number of data, we often have decimal percentages. It works the same way. The number will go to the numerator, 0.01, and the denominator is 100. Remember, we can't have decimals in a fraction. So to get rid of the decimal here, what do we need to multiply? We multiply top and the bottom by 100. So this becomes 1, and this becomes 10,000. So this is how you convert percents to fractions. To convert from percents to decimals, you move the decimal point of the number here 2 steps to the left. Always 2 steps, because the denominator is always 100. So 2 steps, and put the decimal point here. So 1% is equal to 0.01 in decimal. 3%, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. This is 0.03. 50%, do the same thing. Decimal point 2 places to the left. So this is 0.5. How about 0.01%? The decimal point of this number is over here. So move the point 2 steps to the left, 1 and 2. So put the decimal point there. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and 1. How do we convert decimals to percent? Previously, we converted a percent by moving the decimal point 2 steps to the left. So 1% is equal to 0.01 in decimal. When we convert from decimals to percent, we'll do just the opposite. So instead of moving decimal point 2 steps to the left, we're going to move it 2 steps to the right. So 0.17, move the decimal point 1, 2, so it is 17%. 0.05 is, move the decimal point 2 steps to the right, that is 5%. 0.0005, move 2 steps to the right, so this becomes 0.05%. How about 0.256? that is equal to 25.6%. How about 3.5 in percent? Move the decimal point 2 steps to the right, that is 350%. How do we convert fractions to percent? Remember, a percent is similar to a fraction except the denominator is always 100. So if we find the equivalent fraction with the denominator 100, then the numerator part is going to be the percent. To have 100, what do we need to multiply here? 20. And do the same for the top, 20. Then this becomes 20 here, and that is equal to 20%. How about 3/4? We call 3/4 also 3/4. What is 3/4? It is 75%. Or you can just find the equivalent fraction. To have 100, we need to multiply 25 here, 25 also at the top, so this is 75 over 100. 21 over 50, do the same, multiply 2 here and 2 at the top, so this becomes 42 over 100, and it is 42%. How about when you have a number that you can't find the equivalent fraction really fast? Then you do the long division. 1 divided by 8 is 0.2. So this is equal to 0.125, or it is 12.5%, or it is approximately 13%. How about 11 over 13? It is equal to, I'm using a calculator here, 8461538 ... It is approximately 84.6%, or approximately 85%. Try these problems on your own. I will set 30 seconds. Begin.